Hello my dear students. Today we are going to see how to find square root of 4-digit numbers. A simple trick to find the square root of 4-digit numbers without using calculator. Okay, we can see. Before going to the video, we can see the square of numbers from 1 to 9. See, 1 square is equal to 1. 2 square is equal to 4. 3 square is equal to 9. 4 square is equal to 16. 5 square is equal to 25. 6 square is equal to 36. 7 square is equal to 49. 8 square is equal to 64. 9 square is equal to 81. Here you may notice something that perfect squares end with either 1, 4, 9, 6 or 5. Here 1, 4, 9, 6 or 5. That is perfect squares end with only these digits 1, 4, 9, 6, 5. Also see the square root of the digit that ends with 1 will be either 1 or 9 or the square root of the number that end with the digit 4 will end with the digit 2 or 8. Similarly, the square root of the number that end with the digit 9 will end with a 3 or 7. Similarly, 6, 4, 6. 5, only 1, 5. We may use this to find the square root of 4-digit numbers. Okay, we can see how to find the square root of 4-digit numbers. The numbers from 32 to 99 has the 4-digit squares. So we can see the first example. We can see the square root of 6724. To find the square root of 6724, see, we can write 6724 and pair the last two digits and also pair the first two digits. Now see, here this perfect square ends with a 4. So the square root of the numbers that ends with the digit 4 ends with a 2 or 8. We know 2 square is 4 and 8 square is equal to 64. So the square root of this number ends with either 2 or 8. 2 square is equal to 4, 8 square is equal to 64. Square of these two numbers ends with 4. Now consider this number 67. Now 67 lies in between the perfect squares 64. 8 square is equal to 64 and 9 square is equal to 81. 67 lies in between these two perfect squares 64 and 81, or 8 square and 9 square. 67 lies in between these two squares. So choose the smallest, 8. Choose 8. Next step, we have to check which square is 6724, 82 square or 88 square. For that, see, 82 is close to 80 and 88 is close to 90. We are choosing this number because it's easy to find the square of numbers that ends with 0. Here 80 square is equal to 6400. 80 square is equal to 6400 or 6400, and 90 square is equal to 8100. That's why we are choosing these numbers. We know 80 square is equal to 6400, 90 square is equal to 8100. We have to find the square root of 6724. So we have to look this number is close to this one or this one. Clearly 6724 is close to 6400. That is, this is close to 80 square. See, 82 is close to 80. 88 is not that much close to 80. So 82 is close to 80. And 80 square is close to this number. Therefore, 82 square is equal to this one. Therefore, our answer is 82. Therefore, 6724. Square root of 6724 is equal to 82. You can check using calculator. We can do many more examples so that you will get it easily. Second example, 3136. We have to find the square root of 3136. For that, pair the last two digit and pair the first two digit. Now, here the square, perfect square ends with a 6. So, its square root will either be ends with a 4 or 6. We know 4 square is equal to 16 and 6 square is equal to 36. That is, perfect squares of 4 and 6 ends with a 6. Now consider this pair 31. See, 31 lies in between 5 square, 25 and 36, 6 square. 31 lies in between the perfect squares 25 and 36. That is 5 square and 6 square. So choose the smallest. So choose 5. Next step, we have to check the answer is 54 or 56. For that, we are choosing the number 54 is close to 50 and 56 is close to 60. We are choosing these numbers because it's easy to find the squares of numbers ending with a 0. Now 50 square is equal to 2500 and 60 square is equal to 3600. Now see, we have to find the square root of 3136. Clearly this is close to this one, 3600. That is, this is close to 60 square and 56 is close to 60. Therefore, the answer is 56. Therefore, we can say square root of 3136 is equal to 56. I hope you understand this. You check many more examples. Okay, I will give many examples. If you find this video useful, please post, like, share and subscribe to my channel. Okay, we can see next example. Third one, consider 1225. We have to find the square of 1225. See, we can pair the last two digits and the first two digits. Here the perfect square ends with a 5. Therefore, the square root also will end with the 5. Only the number 5 has the perfect square that ends with a 5. So, the only possibility here is a 5. Next, we have to consider 12. 12 lies in between the perfect squares 9, 3 square and 4 square. 12 lies in between 9 and 16, or 12 lies in between 3 square and 4 square. We have to choose the smallest. So 3. 35 is the answer. If we have two numbers, we have to proceed again. Here we have only one number, 35. Therefore, root of 1225 is equal to 35. Simple, right? Next, we can consider another example. Square root of 4096. Try to do it by yourself. Pause the video and try this example. See, 4096. We can pair the last two digits and the first two digits. Here the square ends with a 6. So we have two possibilities, 4 and 6. The square of 4, 16, ends with a 6. Square of 6 is 36, ends with a 6. Now consider the first pair, 40. 40 lies in between 36 and that is 6 square and 7 square, 49. Choose the smallest. Smallest here is 6. Now we have two possibilities, 64 and 66. Next step, 64 is close to 60 and 66 is close to 70. Why we are considering this number? Because it's easy to find the square of numbers ending with a 0. Now 60 square is equal to 3600 and 70 square is equal to 4900. Now see, 4096 is close to clearly 3600. Only the difference about 400. Here the difference about 900. So 4096 is close to 60 square and 64 is close to 60. Therefore 64 square is equal to 4096. Therefore root 4096 is equal to 64. We can see another example. Square root of 8281. See, 8281. We can pair the last two digit and the first two digit together. Now, here the square ends with a 1. Therefore, we have two possibilities, either 1 or 9. Square of 1 is 1. Square of 9 is 81. Both ends with a 1. So, we have two possibilities. Next, consider 82. 82 lies in between perfect squares 81 and 100, or 9 square and 10 square. Now smallest is 9, choose 9. We have two cases, 91 and 99. Now see, 91 is close to 90 and 99 is close to 100. Now 90 square is equal to 8100 and 100 square is equal to 2 zeros after 100. Now see, clearly 8281 is close to 8100, that is 90 square, or 91 is close to 90. Therefore, the square root is equal to 91. Another example, 6241. Square root of 6241. Now consider the last pair and the first pair. Here 41 ends with a 1. Therefore, the two possibilities 1 and 9. 1 square is equal to 1. 9 square is equal to 81. Ends with a 1. Now consider 62. 62 lies in between 64, that is 8 square, and 7 square, 49. Here smallest is 7. We have two cases. So next we have to see 71 is close to 70 and 79 is close to 80. See, 70 square is equal to 4900 and 80 square is equal to 64 into 100. Clearly, 6241 is close to 6400, or 80 square, and 79 is close to 80. Therefore, our answer is 79. One more example, 1089. Square root of 1089. Here, pair the last two digit and first two digit. Here, the number ends with 9. Two possibilities, 3 and 7. 3 square is equal to 9. 7 square is equal to 49. Ends with 9. Now consider 10. It lies in between 3 square and 4 square. Choose the smallest one here. 3 is the smallest. Now we have two cases. So 33 is close to 30 and 37 is close to 40. Now 30 square is equal to 900 and 40 square is equal to 1600. See, 1089 is close to 900, that is 30 square, and 33 is close to 30. Therefore, our answer is 33. Now, I will give you some examples. Try by yourself. First one, 1369. Second one, 3136. Third one, 2025. Fourth one, 444. Fifth one, 1764. Sixth one, 2809. Seventh one, 7056. Eighth one, 6084. Ninth one, 5041. Tenth one, 9801. Just pause the video and write down these questions, and please comment the answers below. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.